This is a 2012 Audi A6, a luxurious package designed with the finest elements in mind. It has a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a cold weather package, the driver assistance package, a 5-link front suspension, a supercharger, a locking center differential, a navigation system, advanced key, a sunroof, heated front seats, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: alloy wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, LED headlights, leather seats, an independent rear suspension, a security system, aluminum window trim, LED taillights, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button. And this vehicle has fewer than 7,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 28 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile is clearly a fuel-efficient choice. This Audi has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.